Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is inside my tool bag. With this setup I can do 95% of solar installations and any service work. Let's start with the heavy tools. We have M18 impact gun and M18 drill. And all of that is packed in a Milwaukee 15-inch tool bag. Then we have this rubber mallet for the roof to search rafters, and if we need to make like any hole, I'm using this as a hammer as well. Then we have chuck line to install all mounts in a straight line. Then flashings, if we miss the rafter, we can always patch the hole. And the rafter finder. On this side we have tape with all colors usually we need. We have these pliers, mostly for the conduits. Electrical pliers. Cutting pliers for zip ties. Then we have chisel to make holes in the stacker. Usually we are working this in the stacker or in the wood if we need to go deep somewhere. Then we have small level. Then we have universal screwdriver and regular screwdriver. Then always zip ties right here. Then two long drill bits. This is mostly we're using for the roof, for the rafters, or sometimes if we have to go through the wall, we're using them as well. Then we have two extensions, one 12-inch, one 7-inch or 6-inch. Then we have hole saw. This is usually we are using for 3/4 EMT conduit to go through the roof or through the wood anywhere. Then step drill bit, we're using that to go through the junction box, mostly to install strain reliefs. Then we have a lot of markers on the conduits, because conduits usually oily. This is like sometimes even one-time use, so we have a lot of them. Then we have three most common impact sockets for all kind of rails and mounts. Then we have this magnet. I'm using this as a stud finder. In my opinion, one of the best. I did try many stud finders, but this is most reliable. Then this extension for impact sockets when we need to reach deeper. Then of course utility knife with extra blade right here. Then we have this drill bit holder with the sockets. That one is for self-tapping screws, and as well we're using this iron rich conduit mounts, and that one for this one as well. Then we have 1/4-inch drill bit, just general use. This is T20 for Tesla Powerwall to remove front cover, and for in-phase batteries as well. Then we have those two to install Tesla expansion unit harnesses, and then this is T30 for mostly we're using them to install skirt around the panels for iron reach. Then we have 3 drill bits for stacker for all kind of sizes screws. PH2 drill bit. That one is specifically for Tesla EV chargers to open and close that. Then we have small zip ties, mostly using them to organize wires. MC4 connector tool to open them. Then 2 small screwdrivers and 1 tape measure. This is wide blade, so I can reach far myself. Right here is a crimper for MC4 connectors. Then if we go into the roof to install mounts, I'm gonna add pry bar right here, and with this setup we can do like entire roof. And what is convenient about that one, of course, that we can lock this on the Milwaukee boxes. And to maximize our efficiency, we have exactly same setup in every truck. Alright guys, as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.